Welcome to Modern Decor World. Modern TV wall designs for 2026 are here to transform your living room forever. Welcome to Modern Decor World, the channel where your dream home stops being a dream and starts becoming a blueprint. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the most jaw-dropping, conversation-stopping interior design obsession of 2026. And, trust me, once you see what people are doing with their TV walls this year, you will never look at a blank wall the same way again. We're talking floating marble panels that seem to defy gravity, glowing LED ecosystems that shift with your mood, built-in fireplaces sharing space with 85-inch screens, stone, wood, concrete, and glass, all living together in perfect, breathtaking harmony. Whether you have a tiny apartment or a palatial living room, whether your style is minimalist zen or maximalist drama, there is a TV wall design in 2026 that was made for you. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's dive into the 10 most stunning TV wall trends that are rewriting the rules of modern interior design right now. Let's go. Hey, if you're finding these ideas genuinely useful and inspiring, we'd love to have you as part of our community. Hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. We post fresh home decor content every week, and you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. And while you're at it, tap the like button. It helps more design lovers find this channel. And drop a comment below telling us which TV wall style is your favorite so far. Is it the stone feature wall, the fireplace combo, or are you all about those glowing LED ecosystems? Let us know. We read every single comment. Now, let's keep going. Floating panel architecture. Forget wall-mounted TVs on bare paint. In 2026, the hottest trend is the floating panel system, where your TV sits within a custom-built architectural frame that appears to hover off the wall. These panels are typically crafted from matte lacquered MDF, walnut veneer, or smoked oak, and they create a dramatic sense of depth and dimension that makes your entire living room feel like a designer showroom. The secret is the concealed wall bracket system paired with a shadow gap, a thin, dark line between panel and wall that creates the optical illusion of the whole structure floating in mid-air. The result is clean, sculptural, and absolutely unforgettable. Designers are combining these panels with hidden cable management channels built right into the millwork, so the whole setup is completely wire-free from every angle. It's architecture and furniture merged into one singular statement piece. Textured stone feature walls. Nothing says luxury in 2026 quite like raw natural stone behind your screen. But, you know, this isn't the heavy, dated stone accent wall of 10 years ago. Today's designers are working with ultra-thin porcelain stone slabs, some only 6mm thick, that mimic the look of quartzite, travertine, or Calacatta marble with photographic precision. These large format slabs, sometimes running full floor-to-ceiling in a single, uninterrupted sheet, give your TV wall a gallery-worthy presence. The veining becomes art. The texture catches the light differently at every hour of the day. In 2026, the most popular pairings are warm, Sahara beige stone with black matte fixtures, and cool white Calacatta with brushed brass hardware. Some designers are even combining two different stone finishes side by side, creating a dramatic tonal contrast that frames the screen like a masterpiece on an easel. Integrated LED mood ecosystems. Backlighting behind a TV used to be a simple strip of white LEDs. In 2026, it has evolved into a full mood ecosystem. We're talking about layered lighting systems, bias lighting directly behind the screen, architectural coves above and below the TV unit, and floor-level grazing lights that wash the wall texture in dramatic shadow. These systems are now integrated with smart home platforms like Matter and Thread, meaning your TV wall lighting responds to what you're watching. Action movie? Deep crimson and amber pulses. Romantic dinner streaming in the background? Warm amber candlelight mimicry at 15% brightness. You can set scenes, schedules, and even sync to music. The visual depth this creates in a room is extraordinary. your TV wall stops being furniture and becomes the emotional heartbeat of your entire living space. Warm wood plus matte black combinations. One of the most enduring and visually powerful combinations of 2026 is the marriage of warm wood grains with matte black metalwork. Think deep smoked oak cabinetry with hairpin steel shelving brackets, or American walnut veneer panels interrupted by matte black aluminum trims and recessed handles. This pairing works because it balances warmth and drama simultaneously. The wood keeps the space feeling livable and human, while the black adds edge definition and visual tension. Designers are building entire TV wall ecosystems in this palette: lower close storage in matte black lacquer, middle open display shelves in wood veneer, and a full-height blackened steel frame surrounding the screen itself. It photographs beautifully, it ages gracefully, and it works equally well in Scandinavian, industrial, and contemporary design languages. Built-in fireplaces sharing the wall. The fireplace and TV wall combination has officially gone mainstream in 2026. And, designers have finally cracked the code of making it look intentional rather than awkward. The key innovation is the horizontal, low-profile, electric or gas ribbon fireplace, typically about 80 to 140 centimeters wide and only 20 centimeters tall, built into the lower third of the TV wall. Flanked by floating shelves or cabinetry on each side, with the screen centered above, the fireplace becomes the glowing base on which the entire composition rests. This year's most coveted version features a slim black steel frame around the firebox, warm stones surround cladding, and the TV hovering above in a matching dark frame, creating a perfectly symmetrical, tiered focal point with two sources of visual warmth: fire and screen. The effect in the evening, with both the fire and a nature documentary playing, is nothing short of magical. Fluted panel detailing. If there is one texture that has defined high-end interiors from 2024 through 2026, it is the vertical fluted panel. Originally borrowed from classical architecture, fluting, the repetitive pattern of narrow vertical grooves, has been reinterpreted in every possible material: MDF, oak veneer, marble, plaster, glass, and even colored resin. On a TV wall, fluted paneling is typically used as flanking elements on either side of the screen or as a full background behind a floating TV shelf unit. The three-dimensional ripple effect it creates is, honestly, remarkable. It plays with light and shadow constantly throughout the day, giving the wall an almost living quality. In 2026, the most sophisticated applications layer matte fluted oak panels behind a black frame TV and steel shelving, with warm LED curves at the top edge to graze the texture dramatically from above. Integrated display niches and art frames. Samsung's The Frame TV sparked a revolution, and in 2026, the concept has expanded far beyond a single product. Designers are now building entire integrated display ecosystems into TV walls, custom niches of varying depths and sizes that house both the television itself and curated art objects, ceramics, framed prints, and sculptural pieces. The genius of this approach is that the TV becomes one element within a larger composed tableau, rather than the singular focal point. Some designers are incorporating shallow, lit niches with adjustable LED track lighting inside each recess, allowing homeowners to recurate their display seasonally. Others are combining the TV with a genuine secondary display, a rotating digital art frame, so the wall tells a visual story that changes daily. This, honestly, transforms a functional necessity into something that belongs in an art gallery. Japandi minimalism on the feature wall. The Japandi design movement, which is really a fusion of Japanese wabi-sabi principles and Scandinavian minimalism, has, completely transformed how so many homeowners are approaching their TV wall in 2026. The Japandi TV wall is all about radical restraint. A single material, usually natural linen, textured plaster, or pale ash wood, covers the entire wall with absolutely no ornamentation at all. The TV itself is often hidden behind a sliding panel or a retractable screen that conceals it completely when not in use. Storage is fully closed, too. There are no open shelves, no displayed objects. The only decorative elements you might spot are a single ceramic vase on the floor, or maybe a slender branch in a handmade vessel on a low sideboard. The real power of this approach lies in proportion, texture, and honestly, the quality of the silence it creates in the room. In a world full of visual noise, a Japandi TV wall just feels like taking a deep breath. Curves and arched frames. The return of the curve to interior architecture has been building for, about 3 years now, and in 2026, it's really arrived at the TV wall. You'll see arched niches, rounded panel corners, and curved cabinetry. These softer forms are showing up everywhere, and they bring a sense of warmth and humanity to what can otherwise be a very hard, rectangular composition. The most dramatic application this year is the full arched niche, a large semicircular recess, plastered and painted in a deep accent color like terracotta, sage, or midnight blue, with the TV set flush within it. Flanking cabinetry actually follows the curve of the arch at the base, creating this lovely cocoon-like composition that draws your eye right inward. Some designers are even softening the entire TV panel surround with gently rounded corners on the millwork, paired with curved leg sideboards below. It's such a small change, but it makes an enormous visual impact. Suddenly, the whole wall just feels warmer, more inviting, and honestly, more alive. Smart concealment, the invisible TV wall. The ultimate TV wall in 2026 is the one you don't even realize is a TV wall at all. Smart concealment design has reached, honestly, extraordinary sophistication. There are motorized lift systems that raise the TV from within a low sideboard, retractable panels that slide or pivot to reveal the screen, and mirror TVs that look just like a floor-length looking glass when switched off, but become a crystal-clear 4K display when switched on. The most coveted solution of 2026, though, is the full wall joinery TV wall. Picture an entire wall of floor-to-ceiling cabinetry in continuous lacquer or veneer, where the TV panel is completely indistinguishable from the cabinet doors when closed. You just press a button, and one panel pivots open on a concealed hinge. The screen emerges at perfect eye level, and then, when the movie is over, it retracts silently. The wall just goes back to being simply, flawlessly beautiful. It really is design magic. And in 2026, it's finally accessible to, well, non-billionaires. And there you have it, 10 extraordinary TV wall design ideas that, honestly, prove 2026 is the most exciting year in home decor in over a decade. From floating stone panels and glowing LED ecosystems to Japandi silence and invisible concealment magic, your TV wall has never had this many incredible possibilities. Now it's your turn. Pick your favorites, save this video, share it with someone who needs a living room glow up, and when you're ready to transform your own space, come back here, because we'll be right here with more ideas, more inspiration, and more of the design content that makes your home the most beautiful place you know. Until next time, keep dreaming big, design boldly, and remember, your walls are waiting. See you in the next one.